Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The said suggestion was denied by the petitioner. Stop. The rent controller, however, held that from the said suggestion it stood admitted that the property was registered in the name of Shrimati Begum and thus could not be held to be alternative suitable accommodation available to the petitioners. Stop. Aggrieved from the aforesaid reasoning, these revision petitions have been preferred, averring the order of dismissal of the petitions for eviction to be not in accordance with law. Stop. The counsel for the landlords and the counsel for the tenants in both the cases have been heard. Stop. Neither of the counsels for the tenants has urged any argument qua the finding of the additional rent controller of the petitioners being owner oblique landlords, the premises being let out for residential purposes and on other technical pleas taken before the trial court and on which the trial court has returned a finding in favor of the landlords. Stop. Thus, the said findings have attained finality. Stop. The tenants in both the petitions for eviction had, besides the properties aforesaid, for the reason whereof the petitions for eviction were dismissed, pleaded a number of other properties as available to and alternative suitable residential accommodation for the landlords. Stop. However, the rent controller, after discussing the pleadings and the evidence vis-a-vis each of the said other properties, returned a finding of either the same being not available to the landlords or being not alternative suitable residential accommodation available to the landlords. Stop. The counsel for the landlords urged that the tenants having not challenged the findings of the additional rent controller vis-a-vis the other properties with respect to findings have been returned in favor of the landlords are not entitled to challenge the said findings before this court. Stop. However, that is not the correct position in law. Stop. The remedy of revision under section 25B of the Act is available only to a person aggrieved by the order of the rent controller and not a person aggrieved by a finding of the rent controller. Stop. Neither of the tenants was aggrieved by the order of the rent controller, the same being in their favor and dismissal of the petitions for eviction. Stop. Thus, the remedy of revision provided under the Act was not available. Stop. No other remedy challenging the said findings is also available. Stop. Thus, the tenants are in the present revision petition by the landlords only entitled to urge arguments and challenge the findings of the rent controller against the tenants and in favor of the landlords. Stop. The counsel for the tenant argued that the landlords in the petition for eviction did not disclose any of the other properties available to them. Upon the tenants in the application for leave to defend and thereafter in the written statement disclosing the other properties available to the landlords, the landlords, while admitting existence and ownership of some of the properties placed, pleaded not suitability thereof. Stop. It is contended that the law of section 14 under bracket 1 requires the landlords to disclose in the petition for eviction all the properties available to them and to plead non-suitability thereof. If the landlord does not do so, he incurs the penalty of dismissal of the petition for eviction as not bona fide. Stop. The council further urged that the additional rent controller negated the plea of the tenant of suitability of other accommodation available to the landlords inter alia on the ground of the tenant having not filed site plan of those properties. Stop. It was urged that the parties are Mohammedans, amongst whom parda is still common, and the tenant could not be expected to enter the other house and to have the site plan thereof draw. Stop. Thank you.